This global market is open 24 hours a day from Sunday evening to Friday evening in the UK. The Forex market, although global, technically starts each trading day from Wellington, Sydney, Tokyo and London through to New York. Unlike other financial markets, such as stock markets, investors can respond immediately to currency fluctuations whenever they occur, day or night. With a daily trading volume larger than all of global stock markets combined, and millions of market participants, this ensures high liquidity, which enables price stability. With such liquidity, a Forex trader can open or close a position 24 hours a day at any market price.